Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're delving into an essential aspect of UX design, information architecture. It's all about organizing content and making sure users can find what they need easily. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of information architecture, IA. Imagine you're building a house. Before the walls and furniture, you need a solid blueprint that outlines how everything will come together. In the digital realm, Iowa is that blueprint. It's the thoughtful arrangement of content, features, and navigation elements to create a harmonious and user-friendly experience. IA isn't just about arranging things randomly, it's a strategic process that involves categorizing and labeling information so that users can effortlessly find what they're seeking. Imagine you're designing an e-commerce website. Your IA determines how products are organized into categories like clothing, electronics, or accessories. This logical structure, much like the sections in a physical store, guides users on their journey, saving them time and frustration. But IA goes beyond organization. It's about understanding user behavior, anticipating their needs, and presenting content in a way that aligns with how they think. It's a bit like being a mind reader, except you're predicting how users will navigate your website or app. So, in essence, information architecture is the backbone of user experience. It's about creating a digital environment that feels intuitive, purposeful, and ultimately makes users want to explore and engage with your platform. As we continue our journey, remember that mastering IA is like crafting the perfect symphony harmonizing content, structure, and user needs to create an exceptional user experience.